And we're back at the bank. Been a long weekend down the shore. Boys and Trooper wants to get in the video. But yeah, we're back at the bank. First game for Luis Arraez after the trade deadline. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Subscribe. All right, we're up in the seats. There's a fanatic doing his fanatic stuff. And the video, the new video. Get him, fanatic. Here we go. Out to right field, Harper. Unreal seeing that. Yeah. And he's saluting the crowd out there. Love it. And now our new second baseman, Luis Arraez. Stoddard at third. All right, first pitch of the game. How are we going to start this off? Harper. Yeah! Like he hasn't missed a day.
17 games, let's go.
Come on, buddy. You're due. One of these days you'll hit another one. Slap. Yep, there we go. Broke that bat. Yeah. Right fielder, Bryce Harper. Woo! Let's go. Welcome to Philly, Luis. Welcome to Philly.
Yes.
Yes. That'll score it. Your first RBI as a Philly. Let's go, Luis Arraez. Let's go! Maybe bullpen day. All right, Woody, it's our favorite game. Let's go, Red Bus. Ah, damn it. That's what happens. It goes to shit. Need the red to win. All right, pitching change over. Just to go in a bullpen game for the shitty Nationals. But Bone's up. And you hit into a double play, you fucking giraffe. And you get booed. After one, it's 1-0. Good guys. Oh man, we need you to start smacking the ball around again. All right. Made that call correctly, Brandon. That should be a base hit. No. Okay. I'll be okay. Hey, we'll take it. Probably not going to give him an error on that, but we'll take the base hit. You are fucking due, Schwarber. Due. And he grounds out like a dickhead. Safe. Yeah. Speedy Gonzalez over there. Yes, right fielder Bryce Harper. Yes! Turner scores again. Get the second. Oh! Luis Arraez. Hell fucking yeah. Philly loves you already, buddy. Uh-oh. ride. Gave it a ride. All right. That'll score. It'll work. That'll score it. Base it. In the mouth. Get to the double. Yes. Come on, man. Snap out of your slump. Oh, shit. Hit that on the button. That'll do it. After 4-0. Good guys. All right, out here at Coca-Cola Corner. We're here to get that cheesesteak. Got to go with the Sánchez Sliders. Woody's got to go with the Smash Burger because unfortunately sold out of the chicken cheesesteaks. And Woody has decided on tomorrow. Woody's probably going to try them tomorrow for us and let us know how they are. All right, here we go. We've had these before, but I'm going to get them again. Sánchez Sliders with the hot honey. Dip in there. So, definitely get here at the ballpark. Let's get them. This might be a first, Woody. We're both drinking water. Oh man, you are too. There we go, base hit. RBI, Trea Turner, move him around. Now you steal. Let's go, Luis. He'll do it. Well, we got one more. 5-0 good guys. I'm going 35.
36. I got 36.
Damn. Where? Rock out again. Shane March. Oh, why did you stop him? Good hit, put the stop. Good hit. That'll do it. We're going 9. Who are they bringing in to shut this game down? Newly acquired Caleb Kilian. See what you got. Sit down! Reviewing it.
I think it was outside.
Ring the bell. Phillies win. The Phillies win. The ground is enough to be learned. So look around. Once there was a silly old ant. Thought he knew a rubber tree plant like Woody. Anyone knows an ant can't move a rubber tree plant, but he had high hopes. He had high hopes. He had pineapple pie feeling low. Instead of letting go, just remember that and woo! Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree plant. Love you, Harry. Well, that's going to do it from Citizens Bank Park, where the Phillies win 5-0. Luis Arraez off to a hot start already. Looking like the trade was a very success. But hope you had a day with me. Always have a day with Slice. We'll see you Sunday. I forget who we're playing, but we'll be there. Subscribe.